got 2 trains going through Wartrace, Tennessee. You trained me in Wartrace, Tennessee. You guys can see it right down there.
I gotta go slow just
I know. Stupid hill. There we go. An epic train meet.
right here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You guys see second train in there? We just got here too. Or there's that gap. You guys can see. Oh, right here's probably a gate for some odd reason. Hold on. Look right there. That's probably a gate. Don't know what the point of that is. Wonder where the end of one of these trains. I wonder which one's gonna end first. Yeah, guys, today's a train trip. We're going to Tullahoma, maybe Extra Springs, maybe Deckard, maybe even Cowan. Who knows? Listen to that. It's on a hump. What the heck? Weird sounding. Very close to this train right now. So I'm trying to get some good angles of it. Ooh. That sounded good. Why do trains do that? I wonder why trains do that. I always hear that all the time. Down there's the railroad crossing. Wish I can get as close. Oh, you guys can't see it. Never mind. There's the end of that train. No, never mind. I thought it was. Never mind. I wonder which train's gonna end first. I wonder. We got some fresh, clean carts over here. Yeah, look at those nice, fresh, clean carts over there. We got no graffiti on them. We have 2 no graffiti CSX tanker carts. There they go. Chlorine. There's 2 CSX coal car or tanker carts that have no graffiti on them. That's rare. Oh, the other one's trying to kick speed. Look how fast the other one's going. There's the end. There goes the end of that train. Now it's just whenever the end of this train's coming. Ah! Oh my gosh! I just got attacked by a cicada, guys. Excuse that, guys. The cicada just landed on my finger and startled me. So excuse that. This is a slow-moving train right here. I'm hoping to make a lot of videos today. Hoping to. I'm hoping to at least make 10 or 11 videos, at least. Also, guys, to let you know about the storm that hit yesterday, there was some damage. There was a tree down on the road. Well, it used to be on the road. There was a tree down. That was from yesterday's storm, so there's a little bit of damage for you guys from the storm. Look, closer to this train. You can kind of see the crossing lights going off there. Ah, you guys can see it. The tree's blocking the way. There's the end. There's the end. I'm going to get on the tracks here. Ignore the mud there. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Peace. There's another view of the lights down there. Peace.